Education is the only ability that helps to dream, achieve, and moreover, to be confident, to take responsibility, and lead the nation. Keeping this note in mind, Shiv Kumar Group of Institutes is determined to deliver quality education that transform a general student into a visionary leader and a responsible citizen. Our primary education venture, that is SKS International School, has the only motto to prepare its students to meet the challenges of the future. We not only keep our students to achieve academic milestones, but we also make them ready to face single stone unturned. Our infrastructure is so diverse that it gives opportunity to each talent to grow, to motivate, to learn, and to experience.
As you know, SKS Group of Institution, we are running so many courses under this SKS Group of Institutions. Shiv Kumar Singh Institute of Technology and Science, Shiv Kumar Singh College of Professional Studies, Shiv Kumar Singh Institute of Management, Shiv Kumar Singh Institute of Polytechnic, Star Public School, SKS International School. The meaning of SKS International School is very clear. Serve proper education to all the students of Indore, surrounding Indore, or we can say MP. And in the second year of the school, SKS IS is very fast growing school in Indore in MP. And definitely the credit goes to all our staff members, managing committee, vice principal and principal. Our next project particular for SKS International School is 40 international schools in all MP. And our basic motto, basic vision is a student of today, a citizen of tomorrow.
In a peaceful environment, that is why we have a campus which is surrounded by natural beauty. The spacious campus environment gives students an opportunity to learn and experience different skills easily. Our Kids Zone is one of its kinds because it gives an opportunity to express. We do not restrict kids with rules and regulations, but we want them to draw, we want them to dream, and we want them to communicate in the best possible way. Since early childhood plays a very important role in overall development, so we have designed such an environment for kids so that we can understand them and more importantly, they can understand themselves.
With the inception of only 2 years, we have tried to impart each possible challenges to our students so that they can nurture well themselves in any circumstances. For that, we are focusing on KSA development aspect that is related with the development of knowledge, skill and attitude. We are having so many activities which are required for the overall development of an individual, that is social, physical, moral, emotional, intellectual and physical.
आहट टमाटर बड़ा मजेदार, एक दिन उसको चूहे ने खाया, बिल्ली को बीमार भगाया। आहट टमाटर बड़ा मजेदार, एक दिन उसको चींटी ने खाया, हाथी को बीमार भगाया।
To match up with the pace of digital challenges, we have cultivated an environment that enables our student to feel and monitor the digital advantage of current age. We have designed courses that let them understand better and think out of the box so that they can achieve bigger goals. Since the evolution of humankind, sports have always been an important part of human and social development. Sports not only make a person physically fit, but also teach to tackle mental pressure. Considering this fact into mind, we have designed a number of activities by which students can get an exposure to such activity and they can decide their role as well. An overall groomed personality is very important for social development. That is why we never missed a single moment by which our students can express their each required step ahead. It is life to fly. It is life to swim. It is life to dream. But it is more life to coach for a vision. And we, as KS International, are committed to live that life.